everybody, Josh here from eFlex Systems. Today's IoT device that I'll be informing you about is scanners. I have a few different types of scanners set up on the bench here. Wireless USB scanner, a more industrial scanner, a wired USB scanner, and even a USB webcam, which also can be used for scanning barcodes. So with these scanners, they are a true plug and play within the MIP environment. So very easy for us to plug them in and get them started out on that plant floor. So as you can see here, I have a screen set up, and this screen is going to include a process for an operator, and we're going to walk through this process and explain how we utilize these different barcode scanners for different benefits that you would receive. So airproofing, badge scanning, correct part selection, and any of this information that we're bringing in, we store that information so you have full genealogy of everything that's happened in your process. So it automatically can scan it in and then kick off the next work instruction to prompt that operator what it is that they need to do next. So within my process here, you could easily see that it's telling me to pick a specific part. It's looking for an expected value as well. So I'm going to go ahead and scan.
You have selected the incorrect part. Please go back and select the correct part.
So I scanned an incorrect value to start. And the reason why I did this is I wanted to show you what happens when something goes wrong instead of just showcasing what goes right. So you could see here that the work instruction has changed. So specific to us making sure that that's a correct value, we retrieved in that information and said, no, that doesn't match up. And we have what's called event-based work instructions, which showcases a completely different work instruction to that operator. We don't want them to stand around. We don't want them to wonder what it is that they need to be doing or not doing. Instead, let's guide them and tell them exactly what they need to do in that next step. And that's exactly what we're doing here. So within the configuration in the back end, you can select that pre-configured process of, do you want to allow them to retry this? Do you want them to scrap this? Do you want them to reject this step? For this example, I'm allowing them to retry it. I'm saying, take that back and go select the correct part. So they're going to go back, select that correct part, and it allows them to advance accordingly because that is that expected value of that piece. That is just one way on how you can use these barcode scanners. If you'd like to learn more, you could definitely click the link that is in the description below, and it'll take you out and you could see an online demo presentation, and we could cover any questions that you might have. So thank you everybody for your time, and we look forward to talking to you again. Bye-bye.